Imagine your business transactions flowing seamlessly, powered by automation a circumflex euros. That's exactly what we're building today. First, let's dive into Zapier and click Create Zap to begin building our automated workflow. For our trigger, we'll search for and select Stripe. This tool will be the engine that detects events in your Stripe account. Now, we choose what event in Stripe will kick off our automation for this tutorial. We'll select New Charge. Next, we'll connect your Stripe account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Once connected, Zapier will pull in sample data from your Stripe account, allowing us to test our trigger. This sample data is crucial for verification, as you can see. It shows details from a recent successful transaction. Now for the action. I'll choose Slack to send a notification for every new charge. You can integrate with countless other apps like Google Sheets, email, or CRM systems. Within Slack, we'll select the Send Channel Message action to push our notifications. Just like with Stripe, we'll connect your Slack workspace to Zapier by following the simple sign-in process. Here's where we customize our notification. We can pull data directly from our Stripe trigger, like the customer's name, the amount paid, and even the product they purchased, to create a dynamic message. For example, we can set up a Slack message that reads new payment from customer name for amount for product name, making it instantly informative. Before we turn our Zap on, let's test the action to ensure our Slack message is formatted correctly and all data is pulling through as expected. Success looks like this. Finally, we hit Publish Zap to activate your Stripe automation. Now, every time a new charge comes through in Stripe, you'll get an instant Slack notification. And there you have it, a circumflex euros. Your first Stripe automation set up and running. You can replicate this process for other triggers like new customers or failed payments, building robust business workflows with ease.